Nisha, do it.
Lisa, do it.
Nisha.
Oh! What was that?
Okay, let's go back. We'll be back. Yeah. What's that? Nice.
Like this is what we came for.
Yeah, this is what we're supposed to do last. Yeah, let's go start back. That's okay. I want to go to the city anyway. All right, nature. All right.
To the museum. Oh wow, see that? That's nice. Wow. Look at. Nice work. Oh. What is that? This is a nonsense. What is it?
Can you take us? We'll follow you.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful St. George, Utah. Oh, yeah, you're right, Nisha. She's right. Welcome to museum. Okay. So where do we go? Oh wow. Is it cold in here? This is what we're gonna look at. Baby, what you got? What you got? Put it back. That's so much fun. Oh.
All right.
Come on, let's go. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do yours.
Are you guys scared? Oh. Oh, okay. What's that?
Don't waste it.
This is nice. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Oh, this is beautiful. And they have names for each of them, which is nice. Let's see. What does it say? Oh, African surveillance section. Oh my God. Fun parts, animal spotlight. Do you know? Not an hunting. Last but not least. Oh, can you spot the what? What hog? What's that? I don't know how to say it. I can't say it. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, look at that. That's big. That is so big. They look real. They're not real. They're not real. They just look so real. This looks so scary. It's so real. Amazing. Long donkey. Red, long donkey. I see it. Sorry, I can't see it. I cannot see it. Oh wow. Wow, why are you up there? I don't know how I'm gonna be able to show you guys like around. Like this is the entrance and it comes like this. And look at this. Oh my god. Ooh. I think they got for me. But they're not real. These things are not real. Place like this. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that, like round and like circle. It's really cute. Let's beautiful in here. I love it. Okay, let me go up. Ooh. It looks scary, but they're not real. African forest section. This is nice. African forest resembles much more of a tropical rainforest ecosystem. We find ranch, dense forest with high annual rainfall and a significant variety in plant and animal life. This is nice. Oh, this is so nice. Nice. My back hurts. I need to go up there. Oh my god. Such a beautiful museum. Hi, Connie. Monkey. Oh Lord, I just lost it. I just lost it. No, it's okay. I can't pick it up. No. 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 I can't pick it up. Ooh. This is beautiful. Okay. I'm in the tunnel. Let's see what happened in the tunnel. An alligator. What's that? Okay. So scary. It's so scary now. It's scary. It's so scary now. The library or something. This is nice. They have book for the kids. You can see it and about like animals and stuff. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, you can stay in here. They turn off the lights. Oh, it's gonna look so scary. Wow. I stay here overnight. Oh, this is cool. This is so cool. I can take a picture. This one looks so scary. This is beautiful. American black dog. Wow. It's beautiful. So out. We did Nigasa. What is that called? Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, this is nice. You are so cute. Snow goose.
But look at these ones.
Butterflies.
Lizzie.
Oh, I knew there were big bugs like
Lizzie. Lizzie. This bed.
Different type of butterflies, like different colors, which is so cute. So cute. Wow. Oh, this is nice.
You know, the crickets. Exactly the same.
A bug. Oh, bee. So cute. Oh my God.
Crickets. Holy, I didn't even think crickets could get that big. But look.
This foundation. This is beautiful. You can see it over here. We're sitting now. I can see it over here. Not really. Not really. Yeah, I'll do this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at him face. Look at his face. Where did I bump into? Oh my gosh. Let's go up. I was looking. Where?
There's a snake up there.
What? It's not you, right? It's not you, right?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
A slime.
I love this one. Take me. I want to see the snake. But it's not real, right?
No.
Okay. No, it's not. I can't. What are you doing? What are they doing? Aww. You having fun, baby? Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Wow. I see it. Oh my God. What is in here? What is in here? Oh my God, the tigers. Oh, how big. Oh my God. These are so cute. Look at the color.
Wait till you see the bears.
Really? Is it big?
It's bigger than smaller than me.
Look at this one. So big. Oh my God. Let me say back. Oh, this is a nice job over here. They did really good. Oh, this. Oh my God! Look at this. Mountain goats. Oh, I love the color. What's wrong, baby? It's a beautiful museum. It's St. George, Utah. This is beautiful. We're gonna have fun. We're coming back. We're going to tunnel. Oh, which one is making noise like that? Oh my God.
Look up right there behind you.
No, that's not so.
Look at how big this
They're
one
not real.
Look at how big this one is.
Which one?
Yes. What else would they be?
It look like they done for my name.
Lost Huskies?
Where is the snake?
Over there. Snake.
Even though I don't like snake, I still want to see it. But it's not alive.
Yeah, it's a live snake.
It's not a live snake.
Live
Stop. Don't think I'm scared. Why are you calling me mom? There is snake. It's not real. Oh, this little tiny one. That's the only one they have, right? Michael, look at you. Now I can touch you. Because you're not alive. Oh, this is beautiful. And I like to put their name on it. Oh, see, African lion. Strong, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I love this color. That's like brown on his head like that. Oh my God, look at it. Ooh, camel is so big. This camel is so tall. Oh my God. From over there like that. This is a nice view. Oh my God. He woke. You see, you see. Oh yeah, right? Elephant.
Buffalo wings?
Buffalo wings?
Buffalo wings.
Buffalo.
That's our school. Ew, scum. Mine is so real.
I know. Look at it. Look real, right? It looks so real. Look at that one. Dying or falling?
The buffalo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already being eaten. They're fighting the hyena like Lion King.
Here in my life. We're going out. This is nice. Oh, yeah. Look, guys. Like it looks real. It's not real. Oh, look. So he's biting.
That's a what?
That's a leopard biting. What is that? What is it called? Sorry. Where's the ghost? Oh. I think I saw this going on. Okay. Where's the ghost? Oh.
The baboon.
Baboon.
The baboon.
Look at this one. He's ready to eat something. Look at his sharp teeth.
I didn't know
And
monkeys.
long. What's it called? Velvet? That's velvet?
leopard.
No, that one.
What?
It's hanging in there.
Velvet.
Velvet monkey. Amazing. Amazing. The what? Okay. Nice. Oh, the door. Bye, animals. Oh, yeah. Ellie, you know to go where? Oh, to go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I know these birds. You can balance these birds on your finger.
On your what?
On your finger, like you put it like this, and it just balances on your finger like that.
Oh.
It's so cool. How much is it? Ah,
You already have a game. You have a nice one. What do you want to do with this? No, we're not buying nothing. We came here to see the animals, and that's it.
snake one.
Oh, no. It's not you. Stop. Put it on your neck.
You do it for bigger.
Where? I don't want to see it. Where do I? No, you're not going to. I put it on this.
Where did it come from? Please do not play with toys. Do not play with toys.
Oh, they said it? You just
You should
did.
listen to the thing. Money, bro.
You just did. These two try to be nosy. What are you saying? What are you two saying? 3 girls and 3 boys. Let's talk. What are you guys talking about?
The ice cream farmers,
Let's check the food over here and then we go. Mm.
What? Homemade ice cream. Where?
I smell something.
yeah, we get you your
I smell something grilling, like barbecue or something. Oh yeah, I smell it. Wow. Food.
What size do you want? Medium.
Oh yeah, on the grass. Yeah.
Some utensils.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You take?
Yeah. Should we put it on the side?
Yeah.
Famo.
Okay, dig in. I need to take this off.
Yeah.
Also, you don't want some? Let's see the shoe. Oh, that's long. What you getting? Get another paper towel. What is yours? What is it called?
I don't know. It's like a frappe with churros.
Baby, can I try?
Let me have one more cup. I'm gonna get it quick.
Talking about getting what? Free food? Go steal it. That's beautiful.
In the park, they have them here.
The what?
Those are the ducks. The ducks from.
Mongoose. Oh, is it dark so like I'm not gonna get confused?
My pants.
It's gonna get
Oh,
dirty.
gonna get dirty. But I don't have any iron.
What does it taste like? It's good. Okay. Yum. That's this one, right?
Cake.
Birthday cake. Can I try it?
No.
What do you mean, Ma? What do you mean, no? You're not gonna try mine.
Come on, mango. What, you want to try? Oh, Mom. Wee.
No, it's. Nisha, you mean? Oh my gosh.
Hey. Look at try.
Tastes like mango. Like it? Well, so you gonna try it? Not yet. It's not melted yet. You have to wait. Yeah. it's yum. What? And we up to you.
I want to eat it with this. Yay.
Here, I'll give it back to you, please.
I want you. For Nisha. Yeah. Oh, you break it? I'll try it.
I dropped my churro.
You got no. Oh my god. Baby, move.
Hey, move this way.
You see it?
I don't see it.
Oh, see, it says main entrance. We did park over
So we pass it.
Come on, guys. Where's
Do you have to tap it like that?
Yes.
You have to tap it like that? You just like it.
It's easy. You take it to, you haven't taken it to class before or something?
Yeah,
No.
I took it into class.
That's what Nisha likes. That's what Nisha likes.
You use the onion like,
Like, oh.
get out of the road. I'm coming.
This isn't what I ordered. I want 10.
Not busy.
5.
He's trying to charge him. He's trying to charge him for sanitizer.
Cook lunch.
It's really fun, but I can't go on it. Too
I
scared.
don't know why.
I'm too scared. It's gonna fall and bump my head. Not doing that. That looks nice. Say hi to YouTube.
I used to. Look away! You want to crush you like this? Look away!
I haven't paid my hair in a long time, but I really love it. Don't mind my edges. Don't mind my edges. It's not going. But I love this. It's long. Nice. Comfortable. My hair doesn't grow, so I'm sick and tired of wearing wigs. So I decided to take it off and braid my hair. It's really nice. What are you guys up to?
You jump without bending your knees. Jump without bending your knees.
I don't know what they're doing. Let's see what it is.
Try it.
What is that?
Jump without bending your knees.
Look at Naima.
Nisha, do that time.
Lisa, do it, do it.
Nisha.
Oh! What was that?
What are you talking about? Jump without bending your knees.
Straight?
Yes.
And then jump?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Go. No, you bent your knees. I see it.
You want to break my back?
No, Marvin, you just gotta jump.
I'm going to break my back.
No, you're not.
I feel like I'm going to break my back.
No, you're not, Mommy. Try.
No.
Do another flat surface.
Okay.
Go.
3, 2.
Mommy, jump.
Okay, I can raise my hand, right?
Yeah, you can swing your hand.
It's already finished.
Yeah, see? You can. You see?
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, hold on. Without bending my knee?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what?
Oh
How do you
my
make that
God.
up?
Can't just do it.
Who told you that?
Oh, you do
I
it.
saw it on TikTok.
I've been doing it a
You
long
did?
time ago.
Yeah, I saw it on
Somebody
TikTok.
did it on TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh
I've been doing it a long time ago.
Okay.
Hey.
I did. I just did it. Okay.
Dad, you didn't
do
even
it.
get up.
You can't
Hey.
even, you can't even do it.
Yeah,
That
kind
bent
of. Kind of. You still kind of bent. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, like the parts are on this way.
Those parts?
I'm not gonna buy a new one. Mommy's not gonna buy a new one. You can cook on the floor.
Mommy's done with cooking.
Are you joking, Nisha?
Yes. No.
Mommy's done with
Cook,
cooking.
cook with what?
You should look at them. I was looking all over for the blue ones. And you told me
It's
they're
odd.
good.
We're gonna get a new
They're
one.
still good. You're not gonna get it. When? Next year? You'll put it in my Christmas present or something.
Are you serious? I'm gonna get a new one. What are you, I'm not gonna cook?
What do you mean, Nisha? We're trying to find a house. Then we go over there.
Yeah.
And those stuff for free.
You can't even get any Amazon over here.
We can get Amazon stuff?
No, they said there's no. You know when you go to, they don't have it. Hold on, Mama. I want to do the first wheel.
I'm still
I'm 25 away.